Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. I hope you enjoy my Japanese baby food series. My supervisor, Sui-chan, is sleeping and waking up soon. So let's make a quick and easy baby food. Today I will show you Japanese style vitamin recipe for baby. Here are the ingredients. Okay, today I'll show you another way to make rice porridge. Here is the steamed rice, and I put in a special bowl. Add water to cover the rice. Then put this lid with holes and microwave for 2 minutes. Next, let's make bread porridge. Sui-chan likes this rice flour bread. Now I used half the bread and take out the white part. Then add the powdered milk and pour hot water. It's super easy. The bread porridge is done. Now use the half of the banana and make a banana paste with using Japanese style mortar and pestle. Next, let's make an apple paste. Cut the apple and peel. I sometimes don't peel the apple because there's a nourishment near the apple skin, but when giving to infants, please be careful. Then grate the apple. And apple paste is done. Then quick and easy porridge is also done. But the rice is a little bit bigger, so I grate to make it smaller. Now let's make a vitamin soup with using watermelon. Watermelon contains potassium, which has a diuretic effect and is effective in preventing summer fat. It's summer season, so it's easy to buy watermelon at supermarkets. If it's hard to find watermelon, please try another fruit like strawberry and pear. Now decoration time. I put banana paste on a bread porridge, then apple paste on a rice porridge. Last one, the watermelon juice, and again powdered milk. Then add water at the end. And it's done. So we have a bread porridge topped with banana and rice porridge topped with apple. Then watermelon and milk soup. Thank you for watching everyone. How was the vitamin recipe for baby? I hope you enjoyed, same as my previous baby food in Japan series. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me. I also look forward to your request. Thank you for always supporting and subscribing and like this video. I'll film more videos to share the information, so please stay tuned. Bye! Bye bye! またね